See, generally the equation of the form, the equation of the form, which form the equation should be there? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, is called what? Is called quadratic equation. So in quadratic equation, there are two roots. Okay, na? In quadratic equation, there are two roots. Suppose, okay, first we'll solving quadratic equation by solving quadratic equation by factorization method. Factorization method. Okay, just and solve by factorization method, right? Solving quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay, first one. That's right. Let me write x square plus x minus x is equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. How will you factorize this? So if you are multiplying, you have to get minus 6. Adding means you have to get plus 1. So this is plus 3 into minus 2. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now take x common. What you will get? X plus 3. Minus 2 you take common. Then you will get x plus 3. That is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 you will take common. Then you will get x minus 2. That is equal to 0. Now either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, what can you say? X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 or minus 3 is the roots of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, suppose let's say another quadratic equation. Suppose there is a quadratic equation, say so the quadratic is b 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. How to find this quadratic equation? By factorization method. So just observe here 2 and 3 is the x constant is 2 and constant term is 3. So 3 is a 6. If you are multiplying, you have to get 6. Adding means minus 5. What are the values there? Minus 2 into minus 3. So 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now if you are taking 2x common, then what will you get? X minus 1. If you are taking minus 3 common, x minus 1. If you are taking x minus 1 common, then you will get 2x minus 3. That is equal to either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to how much? 1 or 2x is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, 1 or 3 by 2 is the roots of quadratic equation. Got it? So this is by applying the factorization. But I told about finding the quadratic equation by factorization method. Now just observe finding the quadratic equation by applying the formula. Let's go through. So first, I told the quadratic equation is x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Generally, any quadratic equation, the formula to find out the quadratic roots of quadratic equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Now just apply this one. So what will you get? X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus b square means 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 6 by 2 into 1. So x, that is x is equal to how much? Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus into minus is plus 4 6 the 24 by 2. Now x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 25 by 2. That is minus 1 plus or minus 5 by 2. So minus 1 plus 5 by 2 or minus 1 minus 5 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2, 2 or minus 6 by 2 minus 3. So therefore, 2 or minus 3 are the roots of a quadratic equation. 2 or minus 3 are the roots of quadratic equation. This is by using formula. Okay, let's do another sum which I did before. That is 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So same means generally what you have to do is comparing the above equation by above quadratic equation by ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here what we will get? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 3. Now put the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is x is equal to minus of minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 by 2 into 2. That is equal to what will you get? 5 plus or minus square root of 25. 4 to the 3 is 24. 25 minus 24 divided by 4. That is equal to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24 is 1. 5 plus or minus 1 by 4. Either 5 plus 1 by 4 is the equation of 5 minus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 6 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 2. Or x is equal to 4 by 4. That is 1. Therefore, 3 by 2 or 1 is the roots of quadratic equation. So, got this? So sometimes they will give this type of equation to find the quadratic equation by factorization. He will mention factorization means you have to use factorization method only. So just see here our equation, the given quadratic equation, what given quadratic equation, that is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now if you are multiplying, you have to get minus 10, adding means you have to get minus 3. What are the numbers? Multiplying means minus 10. So adding means minus 3. That means minus 5 plus 2. So you have to write here x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x you will take common, then you will get x minus 5. Plus 2 you will take common, then you will get x minus 5, that is equal to 0. Now x minus 5 you will take common, then you will get x plus 2 is equal to 0. Either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to how much? 5, or x is equal to minus 2. Therefore 5 or minus 2 is the roots of quadratic equation. Got it? Nature of roots. Now, nature of roots means what? Generally, we have quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This b square minus 4ac will decide the nature of roots. That's why there is one term is called discriminant. Discriminant. Discriminant is denoted by either d or delta. So d is the discriminant. D is equal to how much? B square minus 4ac. So this discriminant, what it will do means it will tell you about the nature of roots. So suppose if discriminant, if d is greater than 0, first condition. If d is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Distinct means what? Different. The roots are real and distinct. Means the roots are uh, different and they are real. Then if second condition, if d is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. This is second condition. The roots are real and equal. And the third condition is if d is less than 0, there is no real roots. So this is about the nature of roots. So if the quadratic equation 3x squared minus this is the quadratic equation is given, and he told that if the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 4x minus plus k has equal roots. So the given quadratic equation, what? The given quadratic equation. This is 3x squared minus 4x plus k is equal to 0. So as the quadratic equation has equal roots, as the quadratic equation has equal roots. So we can write discriminant is equal to 0. So d is equal to discriminant. D is equal to 0. Since if the roots are real and equal, so real and equal, then the roots are uh, then it will satisfy d is equal to 0. So d is equal to 0 means what is d? D is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here b means here this is a, this is b, this is c. So b means minus 4 whole square. 4 into AC minus AC means 3 into K is equal to 0. So B means so B is minus 4 whole square minus B means minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 3 into K is equal to 0. This is 16 minus 12K is equal to 0. So 12K is equal to 16. So K is equal to how much? 16 by 12. So 4 3 is a 4, 4 by 3. Therefore, uh, the roots of the quadratic equation is, so real and equal, the quadratic equation have equal roots if K is equal to 4 by 3. Equal roots if K is equal to 4 by 3. This is the application of discriminant. See, you have to convert this statements into equation. That you have to learn first. So let's say the altitude of a right triangle. So first draw the right triangle. Right? This is the right triangle. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than base. Means first you need to take base as x. If you are taking base as x, 7 centimeter less than base means what it becomes x minus 7. So let the altitude of the triangle, let the base of a triangle is, let the base of triangle be x. Therefore, its altitude how much? It's a altitude is equal to x minus 7. Now, then after hypotenuse already given, its hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Its hypotenuse is equal to 13 centimeters. Okay, let me write this A, B, applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square means 13 square. This is means AB means x minus 7 whole square plus BC square means x square, right? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is about the Pythagoras theorem. Now, this is okay. The unknown values we have to keep at left hand side. A minus b whole square formula, you know, x squared minus 2 into x into 7 means 14x plus 49 plus x squared is equal to 13 square 169. So 2x squared minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now by 2 you divide little bit, make it little bit small this one. So x squared minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Then after applying formula or anything, you can find out the square root. Okay, na? Sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age is 3 years ago and 5 years from now. There are two things are there. So let the age, Rahman's present age. Rahman's present age will take first. That will take it as x. Then Rahman's age 3 years ago, what it becomes? Rahman's age 3 years ago becomes x minus 3. Rahman's age only 5 years from now. What it will be? 5 years from now. X plus 5. So the reciprocal of Rahman's is 3 years ago. 3 years ago reciprocal means 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5. That is equal to 1 by 3. Right? So take LCM here. X minus 3 into x plus 5, that is equal to 1 by 3. So x plus 5 means x plus 5 here, right here, x plus 5 plus this is x minus 3, x minus 3. So this will be 2x plus 2. This 3 transpose this side. 3. This one will transpose this side and multiply this. X into x is x squared plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 into x minus 15. So x squared plus 2x plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x squared x squared minus 5x minus 21 is equal to 0. From here, apply the formula, you will get the answer, right? Okay, that means this x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. This is x square plus 2x minus 15 and minus 6x minus 6 will come. This means x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Then after apply the formula, you will get the answer, right?